Hi everybody, another video from, well, me, lol. Okay, so on this one, somebody asked on the Facebook group, how can you customize this little pop-up box for the Google ping? So this map, just in case, is called the search results map. That literally, it's called the search results map. Search results map or search result map, I forgot. Yeah, search results map. Okay, so because this is using the Google technologies here, it means that most of the time you're going to find the Google code here in the JavaScript tab. So for that specific area here that you can see, we'll just do this, inspect, at least me, you don't have to do it, but info window. Okay, I gotta get this info window. I'll search for this here. Okay, is that the only one? Actually, it's not this one. It could be this one, and here's another one. Let me double check which one could it be. Okay, it looks like it's this one down here, and we're gonna test that. So this is using something called on JavaScript, it's called template literals. So template literals, they literally give you the ability to type code without having to break it so much. Okay, if you're a developer, then you know what's happening here. But right now, let me see what we can do. Maybe we can put it here. Oh, this is a little bit messy here, but let me see if I can put something here. So let's put spam, and let's say, hey, it's me, Mario. Do it like this. Okay. And we're gonna see if that works. Obviously, I'm adding a new widget here, so we go in clear cache. Again, this is supposed to be renamed to clear cache. And then we'll go here um, in theory, I should be able to see that somewhere in here because I don't know on which one, on which of those buttons I actually put that there. There it is. It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. Um, that means that you can basically add anything else here that you want to, from the user, of course. So that was line 140 something. There it is. The fact that we're able to do this here means that we can inject any type of information. You can see that information. Obviously, you need to be a developer to touch this, and you need to know about template literals, basically ECMAScript 6 and up stuff. Okay, um, but it's doable, and all the information is found in the attributes of this, meaning this when I hover over the little ping icon. Okay, so hopefully this will help everybody that wants to customize a little box. We've done cases where they can see pop-ups where it shows galleries of photos, it shows the blog articles, properties, products, etc., etc., etc. Even we've done cases just to give you ideas of things that you're able to do here. We've done cases where, for example, if you log in as a specific type of member or a type of profession, then on the map you see different color pins, not just red, but you see different ones. And each one signifies something for you. And you only see specific pins there with specific information. So you are able to go crazy and do a lot of customizations with it. So hopefully this will help everybody to know where to edit that. Okay. So think positive and big hugs to all.